Good morning, Montfortians. I hope you all are great. Today we will start the new chapter, The Big Fight. This is the chapter number 16 from your English literature book, The Big Fight. My dear students, this story is about the fight between the sun and the moon and how the stars were created in the sky. So pay attention over here and students, listen to me very carefully. A long time ago, there were no stars at all, only the sun and the moon. The sun shone during the day, the moon at the night, and both were as round as melons. But when the sun filled the world with colors, the moon got very upset. So students, long time ago means earlier when there were no stars at all in the sky. Only the sun and moon were there. The sun shone during the day. So sun is visible during the daytime and moon appears at the night. And they both are round in shape. Sun filled the world with colors. As everything is beautiful in the daytime, we could see very clearly when sun is there in the daytime. World looks like it is filled with colors. Moon got very upset. The moon was jealous of the sun because it had all the colors and moon was not having. It's not fair, he grumbled each evening as they passed each other in the darkening sky. How come you have got all those colors? As soon as I come out, everything is as black as could be. So now moon is complaining. Grumble means to complain. Moon is complaining to the sun that it's not fair, sun. Everything is dark in the sky at night time. How you got all those colors? And I have nothing. It is only as black as could be. It is only very much darkness at night. Now you mustn't get across, teased the sun. It is all your fault, said the moon. You have taken everything for yourself. The daytime is beautiful and the night is ugly. Either you give me half of your colors or I'll disappear. Now moon is saying that it is all your fault. It is all your mistake that you have taken everything for yourself. You have taken all those colors. That's why the daytime is beautiful and the night is very ugly. It means unattractive. Now moon is saying either you give me half of your colors or I'll go away from the sky. Disappear means to go away. Dear me, no, chuckled the sun. The night must stay dark. The world has to sleep, and so do I. Out of my way, I am off to bed. So sun started smiling softly. Sun said the night has to stay dark because everyone has to sleep at night. When we are sleeping, students, at night time. So this only sun said that world has to sleep and also I have to sleep. So sun said, go out of my way. I am off to bed. I have to sleep. And he disappeared into the darkness. Who disappeared? Moon. Moon again disappeared because at night time darkness is there. The moon began to sulk and drew a thick cloud over his face. Sulk means to get very angry. Moon was very angry now because no solution sun has given. He just said that go out of my way, I have to sleep. So moon was in the anger mood. So he pulled the cloud over his face. A few days later, the sky whispered to the sun, it's none of my business really, but the moon is growing terribly thin. So after few days later, the sky started talking to the sun that it's none of my business, it is not business, but still the moon is becoming weaker day by day. Because he was very upset, he was sad that I have to stay in the darkness all the time alone in the sky and sun is enjoying in the daytime. It's just another of his silly tricks, said the sun. So sun said, no need to worry, it is just that he is making fool of us. I hope till here is clear to everyone. But after a week, the sky was really worried. Sun, the moon is disappearing. He is almost half gone. So what happened, students? After a week, sky was really worried. Sky was in the tension. Sky said to sun that moon is disappearing. Moon is going away from the sky. It is almost half gone. Half of the moon has already gone. And so it was. The moon grew thinner day by day. He was already like a thin silver crescent. Silver crescent means, have you seen the curved shape of the moon when it is wider from the center and but pointed at the ends? If I show you this picture, this one, can you see the shape of the moon? This we say that it is the crescent moon. And when he was no more than a shiny hair, one morning he called out proudly, "There you are, you see, I am disappearing. If the night must be black, then let it be as black as pitch. That puffed up yellow dumpling can shine all day and all night if he feels like it." So as they both were fighting, the sun and the moon was growing thinner day by day because sun has given no solution to it. That moon was becoming like a silver crescent. He was going, half was already gone. Now it only just the curved shape was left. When he was no more than a shiny hair, one morning he called out proudly. Then the moon said, "Now I am disappearing. See the sun, I am going now. It will be all dark. It will be like a black substance at night. So what you have to do? Sun, you remain in the daytime also and at the night time also." Dumpling means a small ball of dough. So here dumpling is referred to the sun because moon was in the anger mood. Moon is saying to the sun, "Now you remain there at the daytime also and at the night also." After he shouted these last words, he was gone. So these were the last words said by the moon, that I am disappearing. You be there only in the daytime also and at night also. "Silly," shouted the sun angrily, but it was no use. The moon didn't come back. So now sun shouted, "Silly, that come here." But moon was already disappeared, students. That night, the sun couldn't sleep, and even though he had no business there, he couldn't resist taking a peep at the world from the sky. So now the night was already dark. It was more darker because the moon is not there. Moon has disappeared. So sun was not also able to sleep. He could not rest. He just wake up and he just had a look over the world from the sky. The moon was right, he said. It really is black and horrible. Horrible means very bad. And suddenly he understood why the moon had complained. He saw how unpleasant it must be to wander alone in the dark. He thought of the moon in that pitch dark hole and began to feel so sorry for him, he almost burst into tears. Now what happened? The sun started realizing that moon was right. He was correct that I have to stay alone in the darkness at night. So now sun agreed that moon was right because moon have to stay alone in the dark. And it is very much darkness in the sky. So sun started feeling so sorry about him, so sorry for moon, and he was into his tears. It's no use, he said. They would all be afraid. Now sun is saying, still it is no use. I am feeling sorry. I am in tears. Still it is no use because moon wants some brightness in the sky. I'll have to do something about it. And he pulled out one of his hairs and threw it in the darkness. The hair twisted itself into a ball and began to twinkle. Now what happened, students? As you can see the hairs of the sun. Sun started pulling out his hairs and he started throwing it into the darkness, into the sky. And those hair, they started twisting itself into a ball. They took the shape into a ball. They took the shape of a ball, and they were the stars there. They became the stars. This way the stars were created in the sky, students. As the sun started taking out his hair one by one, he started throwing into the sky in the darkness, and those hairs were turned up into a small bowl, and then they were looking like a star, and they were twinkling because that hair was of sun. It was having the brightness also. "That's it," cried the sun, and he pulled out one hair after another until the dark sky began to look like a Christmas tree. So what happened? Sun started pulling one hair after the another, and the sky was brightly lit. There was brightness in the sky like a Christmas tree. "That's enough," he said, at last feeling tired. Now the sun was tired because he took out all of his hairs and threw it in the sky. If that doesn't satisfy the moon, I don't know what will. Now the sun is saying, if this could also not please the moon, then I don't know what can I do for him. His eyelids began to droop. Blowing away the last of the hairs, he fell fast asleep. So now, as the sun was very tired, he hung downwards and he fell asleep. He started sleeping. In the meantime, the moon was hiding in the darkness. Hearing strange noises coming from the sky, he took just a little peek, showed just a tiny bit of himself, and suddenly froze in amazement. What happened? Moon was looking. He has hidden himself in the darkness, but he was looking there and he was watching everything. He was hearing the strange noises which were coming from the sky, and when he saw that the sky is now bright, it is brightly lit, he was very happy. He was surprised. Amazement means a feeling of great surprise. He was very surprised to see the bright sky. The sky was alight with tiny sparks. It was more beautiful than even the day. Now moon is saying that the sky is looking more beautiful than even the day. Alight means brightly lit because the sky is now full of colors. It is brightly shining. "The moon is out, the moon is out," shouted the sky the next morning at the top of its voice. So what happened in the next morning? Sky shouted. He started shouting that moon is out, moon is out. Come and look. The sleepy sun crept out saying, "What's that? What's that? About time too?" And he hid behind a cloud and tried to get off to sleep again. So sun also could hear when the sky was shouting, "The moon is out, the moon is out." Sun said, "What's that? What's that? That what is there?" So he hid himself behind a cloud and tried to get off to sleep again. So that's how the stars came to be. So in this way only stars appeared into the sky. They were formed in the sky. Then the morning breeze drove away the clouds, and the sun blinked and another day began. So in the next morning there was wind blowing and the clouds were going away. Sun came in the sky, sun was there, it was the daytime, and next day started. I hope the story is clear to all. This was a very interesting story, that how the fight between the sun and the moon led to the formation of stars in the sky. Listen to the video very carefully, watch it 2 to 3 times and just learn all the word meanings, my dear kids. Have a great day. Bye-bye.